Good morning, everyone. Today's Wednesday, the 5th week of Easter. It is May 13th, 2020. It is a feast of Our Lady of Fatima. A little about Our Lady of Fatima. Blessed Mother appeared to 3 Portuguese shepherd children on this date in 1917 in the midst of World War I. She appeared for 8 days, and during this time she predicted the devastation of World War II, gave threat posed by communist Russia. Her message to the children in the world was to reform their lives and do penance for their sins and pray the rosary every day. And for our intentions for this day, we just continue to pray for the coronavirus and an end to it, and social isolation, that our students may return to school again, and for all the intentions of our families that remain in the silence of our hearts. Our gospel today is from the Gospel of John. So, reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. Jesus said to his disciples, "I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine grower. He takes away every branch in me that does not bear fruit, and everyone that does, he prunes, so that it bears more fruit. You are already pruned because of the word that I spoke to you. Remain in me as I remain in you, just as a branch cannot bear fruit on its own unless it remains on the vine. So neither can you unless you remain in me. I am the vine, and you are the branches. Whoever remains in me and I in him will bear much fruit, because without me you can do nothing. Anyone who does not remain in me will be thrown out like a branch and wither. People will gather them and throw them into a fire, and they will be burned. If you remain in me and my word remains in you, ask for whatever you want, and it will be done for you. By this is my Father glorified, that you bear much fruit and become my disciples." Gospel of the Lord. So for this reflection, I think this whole gospel is just summed up in one little phrase where it says, without me, you can do nothing. That, I think, sums up this gospel, and just how we should approach our lives in general. Here we hear Christ telling us about using this analogy of a vine and a vine grower, and that the vine must remain attached to the source, or else it'll wither and die. And so for our own sake, in order to bear fruit, the fruit of the gospel, we must remain close and connected to Christ, and remember that with him we can do anything. Some announcements for today: our Positivity Project trait this week. Just continue to reflect on all of them. The focus of this week is that other people matter. Remember to again be vigilant about coronavirus protocols. Remember to be enthused and diligent in our distance learning and teaching, and to remain calm, use common sense, be creative, and remain unified. As always, there is liturgy hours and Eucharistic adoration each day at 8:10. Please join remotely by going to iBreviary.com. And teachers will remain available from 7:30 to 3:30, and school office from 8 to 4. Acknowledgement: we just thank all the scholars and athletes and their accomplishments this year. And thank you as well for all who joined us remotely and on campus for the May crowning yesterday. And now at this point, if you have a flag in your house, lead your family in the Pledge of Allegiance. And once you've done that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and look forward to hopefully seeing you all before the end of the school year. Have a great day.